Hello, we just arrived. Oh, we just arrived here. Dito kami for ilang araw. Vacation. Yan, ito yung place niya. Tahimik, maganda. Ito yung loob. Punta sa loob. Let's go inside. We'll check inside. Yeah, maganda raw din eh. Pasok tayo. Wow! Ito na pala siya. Ayan, may dining. Ayan. Ito yung decking. Ito yung salas. Ito yung kitchen. Ito yung unang bedroom. Ayan, unang bedroom. Then toilet. Let's check the toilet. Ganda siya. Hello. Let's check the other toilet. Sorry. Room ulit. Dalawang room. That's Ken. With our little kitchen for 4 days. 4 na araw. Ito yung pangalawang kwarto. Pareho lang. Parang sinerox lang. Ang kabila. Tapos same din ng toilet. Sa kabilang side lang siya. Okay. Ito na yung dalawa. Si Shab.
Dito kami.
Yeah, there's Sabina. And Kuya Ken. Ken, what will you say? What can you say? It's good?
Good?
Happy? Are you happy? Sabina, happy?
Is that our room, boy?
Ito siya. Dito tayo sa corner.
Mommy and Daddy? And Sabina. We're staying in Sabina's room.
Oh my God, there's two.
Tapos ka mga bata at sinecheck yung room. Okay.